Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to set up recurring payments using Cash App. Perfect for subscription, rent, or splitting bills automatically. Let's get started. First, open your Cash App and make sure you're logged in. Tap the dollar icon at the bottom center of the screen to open the payment menu. Enter the amount you want to send regularly. Then type the username, dollar icon hashtag, a phone number, or email of the recipient. Now, here's the key step. Instead of tapping pay, look for the recurring or repeat option. It may appear as clock icon on the drop-down menu. Select how often you want to payment to repeat, a daily, a weekly, monthly, or custom intervals. Add a note to specify the purpose, example like monthly rent. So both you and the recipient remember what it's for. Review the details, then hit confirm to schedule the recurring payments. Cash App will automatically send the money to the schedule you set. You can manage or cancel recurring payments anytime in your Activity tab. Just tap on the schedule payment and select Cancel. Pro tip: ensure your Cash App balance or linked bank account has enough funds before each scheduled date to avoid failed payments. And that's it. You've just automated your payments with the Cash App. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments how you'll use recurring payments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.